Hey guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Matumega. In this video, we'll be looking at how to design underwater effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Without any further ado, let's head straight to the video. So I'm currently using 2022 Photoshop. So the first thing I do here is I open my image. I'll leave the link of this particular image in the description below so that you can as well use it and do some practice. So click open. Right, so the next thing you do here, you create color balance. Let's click on color balance. All right, move this one to -26 or thereabout. Yeah, then the yellow plus 30. All right, hit OK. So now import the water color whatever. So let's look for where I saved it. This is it here. Drag it to here. Now the next thing you do is just adjust the stuff. Hit OK. All right, that's cool. Now change the blending mode to color. Right, so let's change the blending mode to color. Now we've changed it to color and it's looking nice, but this is not it. So duplicate this particular color with Ctrl G, or you drag down to this place. Now change its blending mode to okay, let's try hard lights. All right, it's actually turning out to be good, but this is not the ending part of it. Now move down to the background, duplicate this background with Ctrl G, or you drag it down to this plus icon. Right, so create mask on it, on the image. Now move the background that you just duplicated up. Right, that's cool. So go to image, apply image. Have to click here, go to image, apply image. Now click OK. Now go down again and change the blending mode to multiply. Okay, now it's looking nice for now, but there is something we are missing here. So let's create go to adjustment layer, create curves. Now drag it up a bit. Okay, now the center here, drag it down. All right, that's okay. Now go back to adjustments panel, click the brightness. So let's increase the brightness. Now add a little contrast to it. So click, that's okay. So select the whole layers and create a group. So let's select the whole layers. Ctrl G to create a group. Okay, so looking at my screen here, this is the after of the whole edit. So let's check out the before. This is the before and this is the after. if you look at this image very well, you see that we didn't put much work in it, but it turns out to be like the end result was perfectly done. So this is before and after. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell notification icon for notification anytime we drop a new content, and subscribe if you've not. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.